This day in time. What happened today, years ago?
Takes us back to 1900 Austria, Dr. Karl Landsteiner and his discovery of blood types.
It sounds almost simple now, but the sources really emphasize how dangerous things were before him, getting a blood transfusion. It was literally life or death roulette.
Utterly. You might get lucky, or your body could have a violent, fatal reaction because the blood just wasn't compatible. Nobody understood why.
Until Landsteiner. His work, the sources say, was just revolutionary. He found the key. Not all human blood is the same.
He identified those main groups, A, B, and O, and then AB came along a bit later.
And just knowing that, being able to classify blood, that changed everything.
It absolutely did. It ushered in the era of safe blood transfusions. Suddenly, you could test the patient, test the donor blood, and make sure they matched. The gamble was largely removed.
And the ripple effects in medicine were huge, weren't they?
Immense. The sources point out it wasn't just about making transfusions safe. It unlocked the possibility of doing really complex surgeries that just weren't feasible before because you couldn't reliably replace lost blood.
Led to blood banks.
Exactly. The whole infrastructure we rely on now.
And the number of lives saved. It's staggering when you look at the figures in the material.
Millions and millions globally.
Yeah.
People surviving horrific accidents, childbirth complications, cancer treatments like chemotherapy, things that would have been death sentences before, simply because we can now safely give them blood.
There's one stat here. In the U.S. alone, over 4.5 million lives saved every year through transfusions.
And they mention one donation, one single unit of blood can potentially help up to 3 people. It's incredible.
So this superpower, it's so different. No flying, no threats, just quiet knowledge, precision.
Yeah, it's built on scientific understanding, on using what's already inside us to heal and sustain life.
It doesn't have the flash of Superman.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more history daily.